These 7 idiots are your defenders. They will have a medic. So long as their medic is alive, they have infinite respawns. You will not know who their medic is, so don't pick one right now. Attackers!
It's the Hobbit.
Listen up! I'm not done! You will also have medics.
What? Me.
You will have 3 of them.
Yes.
3. While your medics are alive, you have infinite respawns. Once your medics are dead, that's crazy.
Can medic survive with a medic?
Once. I didn't bring tape with me. Use an honor system. I'll be there.
Alright, let's go. We're going to cut through the middle. We're taking gunfire already. Get into cover.